Hello children, this video is for class 7th English literature of the 5th chapter Alexander Graham Bell. In this chapter, we will see how Alexander he invented the telephone. So before that, let us start from his childhood. Alexander was born on 3rd March 1847 in Edinburgh, Scotland. There, his father was an expert in speech production and his mother was a gifted pianist. But she was deaf. This determination and success of his mother motivated Alexander a lot to come out with different solutions to a problem. The very first time when Alexander was 12 years old, he invented the first machine, or you can say the first gadget. That gadget removed the husk from the grain. In Hindi we can call भूसे वाली मशीन, जिसमें हम भूसे को दाने से अलग करते हैं, जैसे चावल और गेहूं से हम भूसा अलग करते हैं. And just with the help of few pedals and the brush, he invented that machine. So like that, around dozens of another gadgets Alexander kept on making or inventing. Okay. Now, in this work, okay, his inventive spirit, his grandfather helped a lot. Alexander's grandfather, he was a teacher of speech and elocution. When Bell was 15 years old, he went to stay with his grandfather. His grandfather supported Alex a lot, and he encouraged Alex to pursue in his inventive streak. Okay. Now, Bell's family, they also thought to shift to America. The reason was Bell had two brothers who died because of TB, and even Alexander's health was also not so good. So the family thought to shift to America. So the very first they went to Ontario in Canada and then to Boston. In Boston, Alexander he started taking tuitions for the deaf children. So he was teaching the deaf children. Now, when Alexander was taking tuitions, two of the parents of the deaf children, they were very much fond of Alexander when they came to know that Bell is trying to invent a device which transmitted multiple signals over a single wire. So one of the parents, he knew that there was one more fellow called Elisha Gray who was also inventing or who was also working on the same device. So what that parent did, he hired an electrician, his name was Thomas Watson, and told to be an assistant to Bell. So Bell's ideas, inventive ideas, and the electricians, means Thomas Watson's practical knowledge, they both joined together and started making the device. Very soon they made the device. As soon as they did it, immediately they went to United States Patent Office and got the device registered under their name. Now they were very lucky in this case, because on the very first day when Alexander and Thomas went to the patent office to get the device registered, Elisha Gray also came to get it registered. But as soon as they got it first, then Elisha entered into the office. So in this case, they were very lucky to get the device registered for them. Okay, so like this they invented it. Now as soon as they did this, let us see how they invented this device. Okay, it was a very interesting story here. Bell was working on the transmitting liquid. Okay, so accidentally he knocked the bottle and the liquid fell over. The liquid burnt his hand, and in that heat of the moment, Bell, he just called for Watson and said, "Mr. Watson, come here, I want to see you." Now Mr. Watson, he was sitting in some other room far from Alexander. Now Watson, he heard that voice, call of Mr. Thomas, means Mr. Alexander. He heard it through the help of the transmitting liquid. By this we can say that this was the first telephonic call, and from then the device was set up. They made the device. So like this was the first telephonic call, and the first telephonic device which was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Now, after making this device, Alexander and Thomas, they both started advertising it, and within 10 years, this device, around 1,50,000 families, they purchased it. Okay. Now, later on, Alexander, they just improvised it by adding a microphone to it. After adding the microphone, the voice became loud and clear. Okay. Then, so as we all know that whenever some person becomes successful, there are many other people, those who try to pull them down. Same thing happened with Alexander, that after making the device, there were many other people who claimed that this was their invention, but Alexander successfully, he defeated them all, and the device was registered on his name only. Okay. In Alexander, he married a girl whose name was Mabel Hubbard. She was also deaf, and she was one of the child of the parent who helped Alexander to invent the device. This was one more reason which motivated Alexander to come out with solutions of the problems. Now, in this way, later on, Bell kept on inventing many other devices and got them patent under his name. On 2nd August 1922, he died in Nova Scotia, England. And on that particular day, the entire telephonic system was shut down for 1 minute for the man who brought up a revolution in the fields of communication. Okay, so this was the story of Alexander Graham Bell and how did he invented the telephone. So read it. Thank you.